I'm Rachel and we're back with another safety video. Today we're talking about staple guns. So treat this like you would a loaded gun. Do not point it at anybody. Don't put your finger or anywhere in front of the loading. And when you're not going to staple something, don't put your finger on the trigger, all right? Treat it like a loaded gun. Don't joke around. People can get hurt with this. So right now it's loaded. You use it. You put it on the surface and you press down. And then you get your staple there. If you want to reload this, what you do is you press down and kind of pull it out. Take out the plunger. And here's the staples we have currently in. You're going to put it in right here on the outside of those prongs. Then you're going to take this guy, put it in the same place. And do the same motion where you push down, push it in, so where that's locked. And then you can staple again. Alright, let's go build.